So, second time buying this product. Everything's brand new. Literally everything is still in the package. Second time. Same issue. Try to turn it on. Do not turn on at all. Nothing at all. Like, literally. So, I said, probably it's the batteries. Change your batteries. Put new ones. So the original ones, they work because I put it on my remote control. Put this one on. Nothing either. Turn it on. Look. Oh, probably you didn't put the cartridge on. It is on. Look. Literally. In the right way. Nothing. Nothing at all. Second time. Same company. Same issue. Same problems. Do not buy from these people.
Compré esa mini cámara y solo venían 2 cajas de estas cuando realmente estaban promocionando 4 y solo vienen 2 en esta pequeña caja. De hecho aquí no caben las 4.